Hello team. Today I will instruct you on how to create a PowerPoint presentation. You may ask, why do I need to know how to create a PowerPoint presentation? Well, for one, you will no doubt have to create many presentations while here at Bishop Dunn High School. Ultimately, you will also have many opportunities to create presentations for the companies that you will work for during your professional career. When choosing a topic, be sure to know how much time you have to prepare and how much time you will have to deliver the speech. It wouldn't make sense to choose a topic that covers all American history when you only have 5 minutes to talk about it. Are you ready? Let's get started. This whole process involves 5 basic steps. Step 1 is to pick a meaningful topic and do the necessary research to be able to talk or write about it. Let's face it, most situations require you to show someone how to do something or convince them to see things from your point of view. In order to do that, you have to have a certain amount of knowledge about the topic. Once you pick the topic, you will need to do your research so that you can answer the questions that your audience may have. Research options could include books, magazines, tapes, interviews, and of course, the internet. Having said that, as a demonstration, I will choose the following topic: how to make an omelet. Step 2 is to choose the PowerPoint template that you will use for the presentation. This template will make all of your PowerPoint slides have the same basic look. The background, the school, or company logos, the font size and style will all be the same. First, you need to open PowerPoint. To do that, click on the Start button. Next, find the icon for PowerPoint and click it. Next, you need to choose the type of presentation. To do that, click the down arrow on the right-hand side. Next, choose Slide Design. This allows you to choose from many different templates. There are many templates available for free, or you can simply create your own. I've chosen a template that is already available within Microsoft PowerPoint. It has a nice style to it, but not too much color. It seems that we are always replacing ink cartridges in our home. So I've chosen a template design that doesn't use too much ink, in case I want to print the presentation. Now we want to increase the space used to work on our presentation. You can close the Slide Design menu on the right by clicking on the small black X. Now, you'll have to customize the template. First, you must go to the master slide to enhance what is already there. I happen to have already downloaded a copy of the Bishop Dunn Falcon logo. To get to the master slide on the menu bar, you must first click on the View, then Master, then Slide Master. Next, I have to retrieve the logo that I mentioned earlier. To do that on the menu bar, you must click Insert, then Picture, then From File. This allows you to navigate to the folder that contains your picture. Select the picture and then click Insert. This will drop the picture close to the middle of your screen. You will then need to click on the picture and drag it to the desired location. I decided to place the picture in the upper left-hand corner of the presentation. Next, you'll want to modify the standard text to make it more interesting. There are 2 text boxes on the master slide. The top one says, click to edit master title style, and the bottom one says, click to edit master subtitle style. Click on each individually and then change the font from New Times Roman to Copeland Gothic Light. Now you can exit the Slide Master by clicking on View and then Normal. Alright y'all, let's do this. Now that you are back in the normal view, you will notice that you only have one slide. Right-click on that one slide and then choose the option Copy. Position your cursor right below that slide and right-click and choose Paste.
You can repeat this as many times as you would like in order to complete your presentation.
Step 3 involves making an outline. You have done your research, so it should be fairly easy to take the new slides that you have copied and input the information from your research. Remember to input only the outline information first. There will be time later to fill in all the details. Step 4 involves going back and filling in all the details to your outline. You will make sure that it is readable and that your audience will follow all of your steps. Step 5 involves adding some pizzazz to your presentation. What I mean by that is that you will add color, flair, and maybe animation to your presentation. So in conclusion, to make an effective PowerPoint presentation, you will need to know 5 basic steps. Pick a topic and then do the research necessary to understand what is it that you will be talking about. Choose a PowerPoint template that is appropriate and functional. Develop an outline that you will use to assemble your presentation. Fill in the details of your presentation. Go back and add the flair to your presentation. Planning is the most important part of your project, so remember that PowerPoint can be used to make your point powerfully.